Hey everybody, back again, another video. I'm gonna do an unboxing. Got a Huffy. It is belt drive. New chain, belt driven. Well, let's get it out of this box and see what we got. Oh. Got everything out here. I'm getting ready to load the truck and trailer up for the flea market. Now it's a mess out here. Picked up all these at an auction. Hope everything's in here. So far, every bike I bought, they've all been in the box. Well, let's get this thing out. Looks pretty good. Wow, that has to be the ugliest kickstand. I could have got something I think a little bit nicer to go on the side of there, but I don't know, maybe it'll look better once it's put together. There's the belt. I don't know how well you can see, it's starting to get dark. Quiet, clean, smooth. Yeah, well, let's try it out. Oh, wow. Surprised that didn't fall out of the box. Wouldn't have been good. The seat. Hopefully it's a lot more comfortable than that seat on that Roadmaster. That is not very nice. Yeah, well, anyway, seat post, seat. Colors on this bike look pretty good. Like a copperish brown. And then the black white wall tires. Alright, well, this is just going to be the unboxing. And I will do another video once I get it put together.